Let's bring in Eddie Ghabour, who has been right on the stock market and who I believe is still saying, sell into this rally. Is that what you're saying, Eddie Ghabour?
Yeah, look, Stuart, we have not been buying these dips, especially in the high growth names. We've been out of these high beta sectors, as you well know, starting in the fourth quarter of last year, and we're completely out by January because this environment is not an environment to be buying growth stocks, in our opinion. And I don't understand why the narrative continues to try to call a bottom when we are witnessing one of the fastest slowdowns in economic history. And the Fed hasn't even started doing their 50 basis point rate hikes yet. The bottom line is my job when I'm investing dollars for families is to try to do everything we can to protect against major drawdowns that you see every 7 to 10 years. And this happens to be one that we're only halfway through, in my opinion.
Only halfway through. Those are key words. The Nasdaq is down 20% from its high. Are you telling me that it's got another 20% down still to go?
I think the S&P has got to get down at least 20%. I think the Nasdaq will get to 30% down on a best case scenario, because the only thing that's going to change that is if the Fed pivots. Them trying to tighten as fast as they are, when you're seeing this data come in week after week, it's as clear as it can be to us that this economy is really slowing down. And now they're going to come in and drop the hammer on it. That's going to destroy certain companies. This reminds me a lot of 2000. When we had that tech bubble burst, people thought, oh, it's down 30%. It can't get any lower. And some of those companies went down 90%. So there's some good companies, and whoever lasts in this is going to be the big winner in the long term. And I got to tell you, Thursday is going to be huge. If Apple disappoints on earnings, that's going to take this next leg down really fast because of how many people own that company. So this is a dangerous time period right now to be trying to pick a bottom.
We're so glad you're on the show this morning, despite what you say. That's all. No, it's good analysis. It's interesting stuff. Look, if somebody's got some spare cash, what should they do with it right now?
Based on, I don't know what their total picture is, but if that's the only cash you have, hold on to it, because you're going to have some amazing buying opportunities. The only areas that we've been adding to are metals. We're adding a little bit to utilities because we already had core positions there. But in regards to the high risk stuff, there's nothing there that is looking at all bullish. Look, it's real easy to be good when the markets are up. A true test of a portfolio is how is it doing this year when the water is very treacherous.
Well, I'm down big time, so I suppose I should have listened to you, but I didn't. Anyway.
Well, we're taking clients, Stuart, so we'll invite you into our family.
You're a generous guy. Eddie Ghabour, you're all right. Thanks very much for joining us, Eddie. See you again soon.
Thank you.
Thanks.